Over the years, the science of oceanography has grown tremendously due to the efforts of many scientists. One of the most important scientists in this field is Stommel, who has played a significant role in oceanographic research progress. During this episode, we learn more about his biography and his discoveries in the field of oceanography. Henry Melson Stommel was born in Wilmington, Delaware on the 27th of September 1920. But he grew up in New England. Stommel started his education in the public schools of New York City. After completing his schooling, he entered the university. At the age of 22, he earned his Bachelor of Science degree in astronomy from Yale University. Following the completion of his studies, he taught astronomy and mathematics between 1942 and 1944. Henry M. Stommel received his Ph.D. in physical oceanography from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, in 1948. Since graduating, he has worked in a variety of positions. From 1944 to 1959, he worked as a research associate at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, where he was supported by the Office of Naval Research. Upon becoming a professor of oceanography at Harvard University in 1959, he moved to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1963, where he remained until 1978. He was widely recognized for his work, and received several awards and honors throughout his life, including 1. The Alexander Agassiz Medal from the National Academy of Sciences in 1967, which is awarded for outstanding contributions to the science of oceanography. 2. The Dana Medal from the American Geophysical Union in 1968, which is awarded for outstanding contributions to the field of oceanography. 3. The Vetlesen Prize from Columbia University in 1969, which is considered one of the most prestigious awards in the earth sciences. In his private life, on December 6, 1950, Stommel married Elizabeth Brown, a professor of English at the University of Minnesota. This couple had 3 children, Matthew, Elijah, and Abigail. Throughout his lifetime, this eminent scientist published many papers and contributed significantly to the advancement of oceanography. Stommel died on the 17th of January 1992 at the age of 71. The question that arises in your mind now is why Stommel is considered to be one of the greatest scientists in the field of physical oceanography. The research of Stommel focused on the ocean circulation and its role in regulating the Earth's climate. One of the first scientists to recognize the importance of ocean currents in distributing heat around the globe. His most famous contribution was the Stommel diagram, which helped explain the thermohaline circulation in the ocean. Additionally, he developed the first numerical models of the ocean circulation, which have been used as a basis for much of the subsequent research in the field. The most important accomplishments of Henry Stommel in oceanography can be divided into 4 categories, all of which have contributed significantly to our understanding of the ocean. 1. The discovery of the Stommel cell, a large-scale ocean circulation pattern in which warm surface waters flow towards the poles, then sink and return as deep, cold water currents. This work helped to establish the concept of the thermohaline circulation, which is now considered a key component of the global ocean conveyor belt. 2. The development of a simple, yet influential, model of the Gulf Stream system that helped to explain the dynamics of ocean currents in this region and their impact on climate. 3. The realization that deep ocean currents are driven by differences in the density of water, rather than just wind and surface currents, which was a breakthrough in our understanding of ocean circulation. 4. The identification of the role of ocean currents in transporting heat and nutrients and their impact. It is clear from these findings that he was a great scientist and that he contributed greatly to the field of physical oceanography. The Henry Stommel Research Medal, named after this outstanding scientist, is presented annually to the best researcher in ocean dynamics and physics. There is no doubt that he remains in the minds of many.